Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. I'm here to show my March A5 setup. It's very basic this month, but first I want to kind of give you an overview of last month. So I'm going to clear all this out and I have a binder. I've showed that before. I'm going to move everything from here into my binder. So I did pretty good this month. I did a few of the challenges on the Facebook group. Wrote a few notes on there. I also did some documentation. So I've documented about the super blood moon and did some hole punching on that. And then have my regular planner pages, which worked out really well. I did get sick. Like there was times I didn't even write anything down, which is okay, you know, that's life. This is just, they had Carnival out here, so I picked this little magazine up and or brochure and put it into my my planner for memory keeping. So this will all go into my other binder where I have like a year in planning type review. So yeah, so just those pages. So I didn't do too bad this month. My book tracker, I did okay. I'm still reading some of the same books, which is fine. So I just moved that on over. Read my kids their book. Try to read every day, but sometimes with the homeschooling, we do, you know, quite a bit or running around, so we really don't have time to read sometimes. So, you know, which is fine, but when I get some time in, we'll read it and they remember the story. So I have that. I didn't really get to do as much as I wanted to as far as like my YouTube channel and some other planning, which is once again fine. So I'm just going to scrap that. I didn't get to do any collaging, so I may have to do some collaging and stamping for March. I've been doing stamping, so I'm good in that department. Memory keeping, I didn't get to do a layout. The time just went fast. It was a short month, and actually my family and I were sick off and on for the month, so that just put a wrench sometimes into some things. So anyway, that's life. So I will clear this binder out, and for the month of March I actually ordered a jade color binder from Webster pages, but I actually the mint doesn't actually look too bad in for this month, so I may just keep it. So we will see what happens. So here is my setup for March. I said this year I'm going to use my stash. Last year I had some kits from Mommy Lay Design that I had ordered, and I wanted to incorporate some of the colors that she had into my planner. So I just have some few die cuts and like a paper clip and some things like that from her kit. This is from the Planner Society, but everything is mostly Cocoa Daisy. So I have my stickers in the back here, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do here yet, because you will see once again that this is very simple this month, but I will link down below my B6 setup, because this month I've actually set up my B6. So I'm really excited about that. And so a lot of things that I was putting into my actual planner, now I'm journaling. That will help me to use up some of the die cuts and some of the cards, because I rather them go into my journal than into my planner. The planner is already so pretty. Like, I don't want to waste too much time on trying to set up too much in my planner, so I rather set up in my journal more and just have fun with that. So I mean, look at the colors. I mean, they're so beautiful, and these blues, they're like my favorite color. So yeah, it's a beautiful kit this month. So I just add this die cut. This is from Simple Stories Oh my gosh, I cannot remember. Is it Simple Stories, Illustrated Faith? Oh, okay, it's one of those cards. I just went blank. But anyway, so I thought this was a nice little scripture to put in for this month. And then I just put like a die cut here. My family and I are going to Germany. So I put that to remind us, not to remind because I know, but just add that on the calendar because it looked nice. And then on the first day of March, I will have a good day. So I just put that there. So I haven't done anything here yet. I don't know what I'm going to do. I may not do anything. It just may stay blank. I don't know. I may just use another time or something and cover this up. I don't know. So I will get to that when I get to it. So for this month, this is the printable. And what I did, I actually wanted to stick out more, but I didn't think about it till later. So, but that's okay because even it being here, I could just mark what pages I'm on still and just put a paper clip at the top. But I wanted to add, so this background is part of the printable, the free printable, and then here is also part of the printable. Like it came in different sections, so I just fussy cut this out. Right here are two, or actually three die cuts that I added, and I just want to add a little bit of extra something there, and then add a tab on the top. Let's see. Okay, so what I did, since the first starts on Wednesday, I decided to go ahead and just do a daily to-do page for Wednesday. Oops. And then one for the second, and then I put the third and the fourth together since it will be the weekend. Probably not much going on during the weekend, so I figured I would just split this, put this washi tape here, and these numbers came from the add-on, so I used those this month. And then for here, I took that a whiteout and I put my monthly YouTube schedule. So what I'll do is whatever commitments I have, I'll write it up here and then maybe write some notes here. And then here, I noticed I have put an extra page in. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but I probably do the same as here, put some washi tape over it and just plant something here, or I don't know. I will figure it out later. So I want to show you what I'm doing for this month. So usually I do not use the week on 2 pages, which these pages are gorgeous. What I wanted to do this month, I want to do plan with me videos. Will pretty much help set up the page videos. So I wanted to get some practice in for doing that. So what I will do is I will record a video, like I guess a plan with me or a decorate with me, whatever you want to call it, video. And I just want to put this page together and just have fun this month. Why not do it? If I have a little time, I figure once a week I can do this for myself and just be creative in my planner. And then also it will force me also to get my other crafty things out and also do some scrapbooking. I'm proud of myself. I've been doing a lot more scrapbooking now. So yeah, so I just thought it would be fun to do something like this. So if you would like to see that process, let me know. And also I can do the process and then also just do an overview and show it. So I just marked a few things that I know I'm going to need to do. So it's very simple, and it turned out really beautiful actually, and I enjoyed that. So what I will do, I was going to de-stash these pages, but I ran into some little difficulties trying to de-stash this and sell this. So I said, forget it. I'm just going to keep it. But what's nice about this is if I want to use it for another month that I don't have time to decorate my pages, whatever, it's already available, or it's also something that I can use. I may change my setup for my children's homeschool, so I can always use this for their homeschool schedules for later. So we will see, but it will get used. So that with that. And then here I just decorated this and put a sticker over. I have the Me and My Big Idea stickers, and then I wanted to put a scripture here. So I was trying to, the sticker went a little crooked. I tried to pick it up and put it back on, but that wasn't happening because the background was coming off, so I had to leave it, but that's all right. So that's why it's a little crooked. But that is that. This is a dashboard that I pay for separately. And then my daily to-do. So what I decided to do with my daily to-do is use it as needed. So there's some days where we are just not busy. So why waste a whole page when I'm not busy? So what's nice is the days I'm really busy, I can add these on. And if I'm going to do a hydrate tracker, I can always add a little, like some numbers or some dots or something, and add a hydrate tracker here. So this is more of like my, we'll say, week in a glance. And this will be my daily to do when I have a lot of things to do. And also, once again, I can repurpose how I like repurpose this for monthly YouTube schedule. I can also do the same for this. So if there's something that comes up and I need to do a list or something, I can do that. So very simple. This month is very simple because it's, I mean, it's gorgeous already. Why even add so much more to it when it's just already so beautiful? Like all the other months, but this, it just pops. So it's not much you need to do for that. But, and, so, oh, that's another thing. So I bought this. I had a like bundle that I bought, and this was one of the books that came in. This is the Erin Condren designer sticker book. But the colors, some of the colors go beautifully. So I figure when I do like a plan with me video, I can use some of these stickers and incorporate them with my kit for the week. So they are just gorgeous. You can see like the blues and the purples, like those would go pretty. Like some of these would go beautifully. So that's what I'm going to do with that. And right here, this washi tape was split with this washi tape. I had to cut it in half because it wouldn't fit up here as a full. So I just cut it in half and put half here and half there. So that's why that's there. So that is my basic setup for this month. Here is a notepad and this beautiful pen, which I don't even know if I'm going to use yet. There's still a rubber piece on there. So I don't know. It's beautiful. It will get used eventually, if not this time around. And my goal is also to use these stamps that came in the Day in the Life kit. And I just have my pouch with some few things like scissors and some adhesive. And this is the white to white out. If I want to white out, I have some die cuts here. And I also have some pins, which I had showed also in my basic setup. So it's like ready to go. I really do like those pens. So that's what I'm using. So that is my setup for the month. Very simple. The kit's already beautiful. And I'm learning that with Cocoa Daisy. Just, I mean, let it speak for itself. It's beautiful. So that's what I'm doing. And the main thing I'll be decorating, once again, is that section here. So I probably will be doing a plan with me video, so watch out for that, so I can transform this page. And these are Webster pages. I bought the kit with I think like 2 or 3 of my covers, so I figured why not use them and just match it up. But it's gorgeous. And this is the glitter tape that, oh, I don't know, I'm gonna have to find some more once it runs out, because I use this all the time because it is beautiful. Do you see that shine? It is beautiful. So I'll be probably using that quite a bit. And these came in like the Day in the Life kits. I'm glad I have like a lot of colors with this, and it goes beautifully. So, But that's it. So if you have any suggestions, any questions, please leave it at the comments down below. And thanks for watching. Bye.